should hate the... Oh no, please don't let it be him.
Powerpuff Girls, we need you! Powerpuff Girls, we love you! Oh, Mr. Crackers, am I the only one who hates those miserable little brats? You hate them too? Oh, I knew I could count on you. But how could I possibly beat them with all that surrounding them? What's that you say? Yes! That's brilliant! Oh, Mr. Quackers, you are so smart! What a positively evil scheme you've hatched, and I'll finally be rid of those girls!
Hey Puddins, and welcome back to my channel! Who doesn't remember him from the Powerpuff Girls, the terrifying, creepy demon thing that we were so scared of as kids? I think I thought so at least, can't really remember. Anyway, I was so excited to create this makeup tutorial for Halloween, and I know I am a little late with the Halloween videos. Unfortunately, there won't be so many this year, but I'm still so happy to finally be back on YouTube. So let's get to it. I blocked out my eyebrows with glue, and I used about 3 layers, and did this because I wanted to paint on his thin arched brows that I don't have. I set the glue with setting powder and applied some red eyeshadow on top. I'm then painting my entire face, ears and neck with some red water activating face paint, and I avoid to put this on my eyebrows because the glue that I'm using dissolves with water. I then use some Mastix glue and glue some latex elf ears that I made myself and paint those red too. For the contouring, I'm using the Venus palette from Lime Crime since they had a darker red and dark brown shade that I mixed to get a nice contour shade, and I contour the heck out of my face and keep the shapes long and narrow. For highlighting, I am mixing the pink and white shadows from SUVA Beauty's Cupcakes and Monsters palette and highlight all the higher parts of my face. This palette is really awesome. It has like all the bright colors that you need if you want to do something bright and fun. For the eyebrows, I am painting them above my own brows with black eyeshadow, and I make them really high and arched. This look screams drag to me. I don't know if I'm doing it the drag way, but it really reminds me of it. Do we have any drag queens out there? Am I doing it right? Yes or no? I'm going to do a really high crease on myself, so first I'm using this gorgeous liquid shadow. It's the Liquid Fairy Lights in the shade SunRay from Pixi by Petra. And then I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Faux Blacks Eye Pencil in the shade Obsidian, which is a purple shade, and I create a big and sharp crease, which I then blend down with NYX Professional Makeup Ultimate Bright Eyeshadow Palette with the dark purple and blue shades. I'm using NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point Super Edgy eyeliner, and I create a sharp winged liner and also line below my lower lash line, and I connect them in the inner corners. Then I take NYX Professional Makeup Pigments in the shade Pig, which is a yellow pigment, and I press it by my waterline. I take a golden shimmer shadow from Fenty Beauty's Galaxy palette and just top my eyelids with that. And then put on these creepy yellow cat eye contact lenses, which really completes the look. For my lips, I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Strictly Vinyl Lipstick in the shade Femme Fatale. That I thought was their matte lipstick, but I really liked the glossy effect, so I kept it on and outlined the rest with Nabla liquid lipstick in the shade Black Champagne, which is a matte lipstick. I then used the same matte lipstick to draw on him's hairline and goatee beard that I dragged down a bit on my neck for it to appear like long and beardy. Him has some really cute pink blush going on, so I used a mix of the white, pink and purple from the SUVA palette to make the blush shade. It did disappear a bit into the red face paint, so I used the contour shades I used earlier and lightly I outlined the blush shape to make it pop more. I applied some voluminous false lashes and some mascara, and then I painted the rest of my body red. And of course, you can't do this look without a pink feather boa and some lobster claws. I have linked them down below, as well as all the makeup products I've used. I really hope you like this tutorial. I had so much fun making it. Thank you so much for still being here watching my videos. I miss you all so much. And happy Halloween!